Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. We are here because we want to prepare for the TEAS. We have been solving math problems out of this book here, the study manuals for the TEAS. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You're going to need it. The problem that we are about to solve is the one that you will find on page number 72. Please turn to it. Page number 72, and today is our lesson number 20. Today we're going to talk about the concept that you see there on this page, which is called reconciliation of a checking account, of a checking account ledger. Reconciliation of a checking account. When we're doing this kind of work, not just a checking account, but any kind of ledger where you have inflows and outflows, it's always a good idea to do it in two steps. Always first take care of the inflows, then the outflows, or vice versa. It doesn't really matter. First, do them in two separate steps. The debits and the credits must be kept separated completely throughout the entire process. Don't intermingle, don't jump from one to the other. I'm going to start out here with the debits. Let me rewrite this debits here, it's too far up. Debits are, these are debits or credits? These are deposits, not debits. These are deposits. So I'm going to start out actually with credits. All the money that is coming in the account. The deposits are, we are told that we made these deposits: 3256, 125.42, 675.90, 831.89. Now in the real exam, listen carefully, in the real exam, obviously you do not have a luxury of doing the precise calculation because it will take forever. You have to approximate, which is exactly what we're going to do here. We're not going to waste our time doing the precise calculation, we're going to approximate. 3256, since this is more than 50 cents, since it is more than 50 cents, we're going to pretend it is $33. 125.42. 42 is less than 50 cents. That's going to remain 125. 675.90. We're going to approximate that as 676. We have 832.89. Let's round it up to 832. And these are all the deposits. Let's find out. 3 plus 5 is 8, and then we have 6 plus 2, which is also 8, and 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 carry 6 carry 1. We have 3 plus 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 7 would be 13, plus 3 is 16 again. 6 carry 1. We have 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 6 is 6, 6 plus 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16. So it looks like this is what we have for total deposits. Any other credits that we have to take care of? Of course, we have to take care of the amount that we started out with, which is the initial balance. Initial balance, we are told, is $1,005.34. This is the initial balance. The balance that we started out with. $1,005.34. We're just going to ignore the 34 cents. We get 1, 6, 6, and 2. 2,661 so far. Any other credits do we have? Any other money coming in the account? The answer is yes. We earn interest. We are told that interest earned we are told is $1.79. Interest earned we are told is $1.79, which I'm going to round up to $2. So $2 plus $1 is $3. 6, 6, and 2. Voila, this is it. These are our total credits. It is very important that you keep your work clean. There are smart ways of saving times and there are not so smart ways of saving times in the exam. Making your work messy in the name of saving 2 seconds is not a smart move. Keep your work clean. It will save you time in the long term. It will save you time in the long term because you won't have to go back and recheck something and you won't have to redo something. This is it. 2663 are the total credits. Let's make a note of it. It's right there actually. 26, I don't know where that one came from. 26. Did I make a mistake here? Total credits are 2673. Where did I make a mistake? Did I mess it up already? I can't believe it. Ah, yes, here. See? 6 plus 5 is 11. 1. 6 plus 5 is 11. Carry 1. Which is why which is why I always make a habit of writing down when I carry. Because when I don't carry, there's a very good chance that you're going to forget it, which is exactly what happened here. This is 6 plus 1 is 7. This should have been 7. And this is 7. 2673 are the total credits. This is how easy it is to make mistake, you see? You must slow down. That's it. The credits are taken care of. Now let's take care of the debits, the money that is going out of the account. All the checks that we wrote, that is. Obviously I need the room, so I need to erase everything. Just give me 1 second. So these are the debits. Rather, these are the credits. Let's do the debits here. The checks that we wrote, the first one is 85.98. Then we have 1045, 85.98. Your digits must line up. It is very important that you line up your digits properly. All the unit digits should line up, all the 10 digits should line up, all the 100 digits should line up. Otherwise you will have a hell of a time adding and subtracting things in the exam manually. Do you understand? Keep it clean. If it takes 2 extra seconds to go back and rewrite something, do it. Like I just did. 512 and finally 79. Looks like these are the checks that we wrote, and that's going to go under the heading of debits. Now we're going to go back, now we're going to go there and round things up, shall we? Round things up or down. 85.98, I'm going to round it up to 86. 1045 is going to remain. 1045 probability is $16.57. Since it's more than 50, we're going to round it up to 17. $5.12 is just $5, and $79 is just $79. That's it, we're done. Let's add them up, see what we get. Keep our fingers crossed. We're going to not muck it up again. Muck it up with an M as in Mary, not F. I always have to explain that to Americans, because they assume it's an F. It's not an F. Never, never with me. You know that. Okay. 5 plus 5 is 10. And what else do we have? That is not a 5. What the hell? 5 plus 5 is 10. 9 plus 7 is 16. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 26. 26 plus 6. 26 plus 4 is 30. So it's going to be 32. 2 carry 3. What else can we do? 3 plus 7 is 10. Then we have 12 and 13. 10 plus 13 is 23. 3 carry 2. And this is just going to be 2 because that's a 0. Voila. Those are the total withdrawal. Any other money going out of the account? Any other money going out of the account? The answer is yes. We have to pay $5 in service charge. That's it. Those are total debits. That's it, we're done. We have the total credits, we have the total debit, we are ready to do our work. Let's do it right here. 2673, remember it? 2673, those were the credits. 1, 2, 3, 7, those are the debits. That's it, we're done. Whatever we get at the end is the answer. So we're going to get 13 minus 7, 14 minus 7 is 7, so it's going to be 6. And this 7 becomes 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. And 2 minus 1 is 1. It looks like our ending balance should be $1,436. And that amount actually is going to be pretty damn close to the real thing. Don't worry about it. This is very good estimate. You should have no problem at all spotting the right answer among the 4 answer choices or 5 answer choices, whatever you have there. You understand? And that's all you have to do here. You don't have to waste your time doing the precise calculation. But as I said, as I keep repeating like a parrot, I keep emphasizing, The important part is the neatness of the work. You must keep your work clean. Even though you are under intense pressure, you must keep your work clean. Do you understand? If the digits don't line up, take the couple of extra seconds, erase it and rewrite it, like I just did a couple of times. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Bye now.